Hi, welcome to the Mahindra University eLibrary tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover all the features and benefits of the platform so you can take maximum benefit of the eLibrary. The library sits at mahindrauniversity.refread.com. To access the library collections and all its features, you must first log in into the platform. You can log in using your institutional email address by clicking on the Login with your Mahindra University official domain option available on the login page. If you face any difficulty in login, just send your details to the email address given in the footer and we will get back to you within 2 business days. I'm going to log in using my registered demo account. As soon as I log into the platform, I have full access to all its collections and services. You can access all the databases subscribed by the library and track your past readings on the homepage here. You can keep up with all the e-books, e-journals and video lectures recommended by the library staff. Whatever content is being read most on the Mahindra University campus shows up in the trending section on the homepage. You can browse the library by categories or subjects here. Click on any of these subjects to list the resources for that particular subject area or discipline. You can also browse content by publisher. These are all the subscribed eResources licensed by the Mahindra University Library. So if I click on this link for JSTOR journals here, the platform link will appear along with the title list of all publications subscribed via JSTOR. Just click on the Read button to navigate to the publisher platform. The publisher platform will recognize you as an authenticated user of Mahindra University and you will have full text access to all the articles. You can read the full text in HTML format or download the PDF. Similarly, I can access ebooks from some of the most renowned publishers. For example, here I am accessing ebooks licensed from Pearson. Again, click on the Read button on any of the results and you will be automatically authenticated on the Pearson platform for full text access of the. In addition to the subscribed content, we have also curated the open access e-resources from many green and gold standard open repositories. You can access these ebooks, e-journals, theses and video lectures for your learning and research needs. You can browse e-content by media as well. Let's click on this link for ebooks here. And you will find thousands of ebooks subscribed from top publishers like McGraw-Hill, Pearson, Springer, Cambridge University Press and curated from many open sources as well. The platform also features news clippings curated by the library staff and news headlines from more than 50 online news portals. You can also read literary works in Hindi, English, Urdu, Punjabi, and many other languages. Now let's see how you can search for e-resources on the platform. We are going to start with a simple keyword search like nanotechnology. The platform first shows me all the publications matching my search query. I can drill down the search results using these filters for year, accessibility, media, authors or publishers. If I switch over to the article tab, the platform will broadcast my search query to all subscribed journals and databases and fetch the latest and most relevant research articles. Click on this button to load the entire result set once the meta search finishes. This meta search helps all scholars and faculty members save a lot of time and effort. You can filter articles by source and simply click on the Read button to access the full text of the paper on the publisher platform. The eLibrary platform also supports Boolean operators and phrase searches. For example, if we search for machine learning as to keywords, the platform shows more publications matching either one of the two keywords. However, if we repeat the same search with double quotes on either side of our search query, the platform will look for the keywords as a phrase and show more relevant results. You can also limit your search query to a particular media type in the basic search bar like this, or use the advanced search form for more complex queries. On every search result, you will see this Add to Reading List button. You can click it to add this result to your favorites or any folder for future reference. You can create as many folders as you want and tag as many resources as you need to those folders. You will find all your saved documents and folders here in the reading lists. You can select saved documents and email the links to your peers. However, please note that the recipient must be an authorized user of the Mahindra University to be able to access the full text of the resources via shared links. You can also export the references of all saved documents in more than 1000 citation styles. Just search for the citation style and click on the Generate Citation button to build references of multiple documents in one go. All the collections, services and features demonstrated in this video can be accessed not just through the eLibrary web portal, but also through the Mahindra University eLibrary mobile apps available on both iOS App Store and the Android Play Store. You can download these apps to your phone and access all Mahindra University library collections on the go. We request you to explore the Mahindra University eLibrary today and help us spread the word on the campus. Please do share your feedback and suggestions on the email addresses provided in the footer. Happy reading!